Automotive power banks ensure emergency jumpstarts, charge devices on the go, and provide reliable backup power during roadside breakdowns. My today's video is about top 5 best automotive power banks for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Wolfbox Power Bank with Air Compressor. This all-in-one jump starter and air compressor is a must-have emergency tool for every driver. Powered by a robust 59.2 Wh battery with an impressive 3000 A peak current, it can revive completely dead 12V car batteries, supporting up to 8L gas and 6L diesel engines. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, or pickup truck, it delivers reliable performance when you need it most. The built-in 45 liters per minute air compressor, 160 psi, inflates tires incredibly fast, just 2 minutes 30 seconds for a pickup truck tire and even less for SUVs and sedans. It's perfect for handling sudden low tire pressure on the road. With 65W USB-C fast charging, multiple USB-A ports, and 160W DC output, it also doubles as a 16,000 mAh power bank for phones and tablets. The 400 lumen LED flashlight with strobe and SOS modes enhances roadside safety. Rated IP64 and operational down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, plus 10 safety protections, this device is built to perform reliably in harsh conditions. Now our second product is BuTure Vac Car Battery Power Bank. This 10-in-1 all-round jump starter is more than just a car battery booster, it's a complete roadside emergency kit. Compact yet powerful, it combines an 8000 mAh lithium jump starter, 160 psi cordless air compressor, tire pressure gauge, 45W PD fast charger, power bank, for LED light modes, and even insulated gloves in one portable device. With its force start function, it can revive completely dead batteries, supporting all gas and up to 14L diesel engines even in extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. It delivers multiple starts per charge, holds standby power for up to 24 months, and supports over 1000 recharge cycles. The smart inflator features preset modes, auto shutoff, plus or minus 1 psi accuracy, and a bright 3.3-inch display for easy monitoring. It inflates tires rapidly and supports cars, bikes, motorcycles, and sports balls. Add an 800 lumen emergency lighting, dual fast-charging USB outputs, rugged fire-resistant construction, and 10 built-in safety protections, and you get a dependable, travel-ready solution backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime support. Our third product is Juovi Power Bank Portable Charger. This 45W PD fast-charging power bank is a reliable, high-capacity solution for powering multiple devices on the go. Equipped with two 45W PD Type-C and /out ports and 230W USB-A outputs, it allows you to charge up to 4 devices simultaneously, perfect for busy days, travel, or remote work setups. With its massive 20,000 mAh capacity, it easily provides multiple charges for popular smartphones, tablets, and even laptops like a 14-inch MacBook Pro. Whether you're topping up your phone or powering a tablet, it delivers consistent and efficient performance. The built-in LED digital display clearly shows the remaining battery percentage, so you always know when it's time to recharge. Supporting PD 3.0 and QC 3.0, this power bank ensures wide compatibility with laptops, smartphones, smartwatches, handheld consoles, and earbuds. Advanced safety features protect against overcharging, overheating, short circuits, and overloads, while a low-current mode supports smaller devices. Complete with a fast-charging cable and responsive customer service, it's a dependable everyday charging companion. Now number 4, Daran Portable Power Station. This slim and pocketable portable power station delivers impressive performance in a compact design. About the size of a smartphone and weighing just 2.54 pounds, it easily fits into a backpack and features a soft ergonomic handle for effortless carrying, perfect for camping, travel, or emergency backup. Powered by a durable 89.6 Wh LiFePO4 battery, it offers over 3,500 life cycles, far longer than standard lithium batteries. With 7 output ports, including dual 100W AC outlets, USB-C, 45W/15W, USB-A, and DC ports, it can power multiple devices at once, from smartphones and laptops to mini fridges and drones, within 100W limit. The clear LED display keeps you informed of remaining power and operating status. Fast charging technology allows it to reach 80 in just 1.5 hours, with 4 recharge options: AC wall outlet, USB-C PD, car charging, and solar panel compatibility. Ultra-quiet, fanless operation and a 4-level LED flashlight with SOS mode make it ideal for outages or outdoor adventures. Practical, reliable, and versatile, it's a smart power solution and a thoughtful gift choice. And our last choice is Allwei Car Cigarette Power Inverter. This 300W car power inverter is a practical solution for powering and charging devices on the road. Equipped with a USB-C PD 65W port, it delivers fast, efficient charging for laptops, tablets, and smartphones, automatically adjusting output to match your device's power requirements. An additional 18W USB fast charge port and dual 110V AC outlets provide versatile charging options for multiple devices at once. Offering 300W continuous power and 600W peak power, it easily handles small electronics such as laptops, gaming consoles, breast pumps, string lights, TVs, and car accessories. Simply plug it into your car's 12V cigarette lighter socket. The 33-inch cord makes it convenient for backseat passengers as well. Safety is a priority, with a built-in fuse and multi-protection system guarding against overheating, overvoltage, short circuits, and overloads. The upgraded silent cooling fan and durable metal housing enhance heat dissipation and long-term durability. Compact, efficient, and easy to use, this inverter is an excellent travel companion for everyday driving and road trips. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.